When we there in my house, I hear a loud explosion. Blood!
This is The Aura. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. A Jamaica public service contractor is now hospitalized after he was electrocuted while working on power lines in Arnett Gardens this morning. Eyewitnesses say he sustained severe burns all over his body after he and another colleague were attempting to resolve a lack of electricity in the area.
In ears, in face, in shirt, burn off. All him hat him back, underneath him arm. So you hold him my skin, he must strip off.
The community has been without electricity since Tuesday. The House of Representatives on Tuesday approved a motion to name the municipality of Portmore Jamaica's 15th parish. This will be the first time since 1867 that a new parish is being created. St. Catherine South Central MP Dr. Andrew Wheatley said the new parish will have its own hospital and will see major upgrades of roads. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson has disclosed that the AK-47 rifle is the weapon of choice of Jamaican gunmen. Speaking at a press conference on Tuesday, Anderson stated that the rifle usually attracts a price tag of $500,000 to $1 million and is a weapon of war. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has reportedly seized 88 guns, 12 of which were rifles, since the start of the year. CCPA Capital Partners, the company that has found itself in the midst of a controversy with the government-operated Clarendon alumina production, received more than $500,000 in contracts over 25 months. According to Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, the company, which is owned and operated by former banker Andrew Simpson, was awarded nearly 90 million Jamaican dollars starting in May 2019, an amount which covered 5 contracts.
I ask that the good name and integrity of me and my firm not be sullied or defamed. Please leave us out of it.
And on the international scene, the Pentagon announced on Wednesday that President Joe Biden is sending about 2,000 US-based troops to Poland and Germany amid fears of a Russian invasion of the Ukraine. This has been The Aura. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com.